Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about article writing. Students, article writing is very important topic in your writing section. So before discuss the format of article writing, you should know what is an article. Article is an expression for one's thought on an issue or subject. So basically expressions of our thought on an issue or a subject, that is called an article. And it is written in a meaningful paragraphs. So it is very important to divide your article into 2 or 3 meaningful paragraphs. Now come to the format of an article writing. Firstly, you have to write the heading. Firstly, you will write the heading related to your topic. The heading should be very catchy and very sharp so that attracts the attention of the reader. Below that comes the name of the person who is going to write an article. Below the heading comes the name of a person who is going to write an article. After that comes the main body or main content. Main content which is divided into 3 paragraphs. In first paragraph, you can start with an introduction of a topic on which your topic is about. Firstly, in first paragraph, you will give an introduction about your topic. In second paragraph, you have to explain the topic. In this paragraph, you explain your topic. And in last third paragraph is always a concluding paragraph. In this paragraph, you will conclude your article. I hope students you understand the content. Let's discuss this again. In first paragraph comes introduction about the topic. Second, you will explain your topic. In third paragraph, you will conclude your topic. I hope students you have understood the format of article writing. Thank you.